In 2021, we were approached to deliver a new solution for reliable and environmentally sustainable waste management to one of the world's most picturesque and therefore ecologically sensitive regions, the Maldives. A destination for more than 1.5 million visitors annually, the Maldives is made up of a chain of 26 atolls, each varying in size and population. The Maldives currently has existing systems in place to manage the permanent occupancy of almost 550,000 residents. However, as the tourist numbers boom, so does the problem of waste that comes from them. In partnership with our official agent for the region, Hydroglobal, we completed a thorough analysis of the waste streams produced by the resort islands and proposed a professional thermal treatment solution specifically designed for the island. Machines were shipped to the Maldives for distribution across a number of islands, ready to be installed on the site of several hotels in order to help with the disposal of a variety of waste generated throughout the year. These state-of-the-art machines benefit from large opening doors, automatic controls, and an integrated pollution control system. All are designed to ensure the secure disposal of waste without any negative effects on the surrounding environment. In February 2022, we were extremely proud to have sent one of our expert engineers to travel to complete in what could have been the most luxurious installations yet. Escaping the dreary British winter to gorgeous 30 degrees Celsius sunshine for the installation of these incineration solutions. These are able to dispose of between 750 kilograms from the SB incinerators and 1,300 kilograms from the TB incinerators during a day's operation. These incinerators have been optimized specifically for the reliable disposal of non-recyclable organic and non-organic waste created by some of the region's busiest hotels. In most instances, our incinerators have been developed to be easy to put together and commission with the aid of our additional resources and online training platform. However, as these installations will be processing a complex mix of waste compared to the standard installation, which generally only processes one type of waste, we ensured to supply one of our most experienced engineers to the sites to run through the complete operation and especially optimize the process to enable a safe, secure and, most importantly, an environmentally sustainable solution for such a potentially mixed load. Ensuring that no matter what is put through it, there are no smoke or odors produced to damage the area and the visitor's perception of what for many is a once-in-a-lifetime holiday. Successful deployment of these waste management systems has ensured the future of the local environment is free of waste. We are currently undergoing final discussions on several more similar installations with Hydroglobal and are confident that this will be the first of many installations across the 29 islands in the near future.